would it really feel like New York if we didn't hit up Times Square? The streets were super busy and packed with tourists, but it is such a sight to see this iconic view. Next up, we are heading to Color Factory, which was such a cool, amazing experience. All of us had a ton of fun taking photos and enjoying every single room. The first room we went in was the scented room. Each room had a different concept and everything was very interactive and fun for small or large groups. I love how every room is so unique and different, and we really get to channel our inner playful side and just jam away. The confetti room was by far our favorite. It was so much fun just throwing confetti in the air and taking photos in all the spots that they have around the room. The Chelsea Market has a mix of restaurants and stores. I would highly recommend coming to this taco place. As you can see, there's such a crazy line here, and the line just did not stop. Once you've ordered your tacos, you come to this section where you pick up your tacos that are made fresh right in front of you. I ordered the cactus taco as well as the pork marinated taco. Wow guys, this is the best taco I've ever had. I definitely think the marinated pork is the best. The cactus taco was great too, just something a little different, but the pork taco was just the right amount of flavor, saltiness, crunchiness, and it has a little bit of spice, so it's just perfect. Grabbed ourselves a little caffeine boost and it's off to explore. Yeah, I'm currently heading to Grand Central Station. I just want to check it out because BTS performed there. I will show you the rest of New York. For dinner, we have a very special meal. We're at Towa for their 18-course Omakase dinner. The dinner was very delicious, and it was just amazing to share it with all of us girls. But we definitely saved the best for last because this Fuji apple sorbet was phenomenal. And checking another item off our New York list, we are at this beautiful rooftop bar, enjoying some drinks and celebrating our friend. Stay tuned for part 2 of our New York adventures.